Hello, and today we're going to be creating a link page, also known as a bio website. First things first, you'll need to choose whichever app you'll want to do this with. Here are several suggestions. For today, I'll be using Milkshake. Next, you'll want to locate this post United We Thrive and copy each individual sentence to save for your website. These can also be found in Do You Thrive Facebook group under Files, and going into each of the top files here, clicking on them, and then at the top right going to the three dots and then copy that link. Once you have all that set, then you'll go to app of your choice and go ahead and create your account. Next, you'll need to create a unique name for your website URL. If it is taken, you can always add your name into it. Continue, and then you get to choose the type of card, which is the layout of your bio website. I'm going to choose the links because I want multiple links in there. Now you can choose the look and the feel of it. Don't worry, you can always change this later on before you publish it, and even after you publish it, you can go back and change it. I'm going to choose this layout. To keep this simple, all you need to do is go from top to bottom here. Go ahead and name this card. Right underneath that is where you click on the picture, and this is where you can add an image. Any image, it could be an image of you, it could be an image of you holding Thrive, it could be anything that you want your customers to see. The next three fields are optional, and they're different sizes depending on which of the formats you choose. I already know what I'm going to say, so I'm going to copy and paste it in here, but just know that whenever you type it in or add in what you need, you can preview the bottom to see what it looks like in the output, but just know you don't have to use all three of these. Also, for the title of each link, you do not have to put step. You can put whatever it is you want. I just did this as a guided journey for my customer. Now we get to add in all of the links that you copied over, or if you need to go back and forth to where you saved it in your notepad, you can grab it there. Now for the Tell Me About You, this is where you could do a Jotform or a Google form or any other form creation app. I'm using Jotform for an example. This is where you can create a new form. I like to start from scratch, and you can either go ahead and just drag and drop over the fields and rename them, or you can use the document that is in this post and copy and paste over the questions. Once you have finished the form, it should look something like this. Now, two things you'll want to do first is at the top here, there should be a settings option where you can go into emails. And this is where you set up your email. Whenever this form is filled out, it shoots you up an email with all the answers. It can also send it to the client. Next is the publish option where you can see what the final looks like for the preview, and then quick share where you can grab the link. This is where you'll copy it and then you'll add it back into your Milkshake. Next, you'll follow the same steps to copy over the referral program information as well as the ideas for posting. Now comes the last step, and that is getting the client to let you know that they've reviewed all of this. And this might be where you send a gift, you might send credits, you might say congratulations. It's your choice what you want to do at this point, but that way you receive confirmation they've looked at it. At the bottom is where you can click to add social links to either your social media page, or if you want to add the group page down below, you can. Instagram, again, your Instagram, or you can go to Lavelle's Instagram, top right, hit the three dots, and then click on copy profile URL, and then paste that back in there. All right, this is where we preview it. And at the bottom left is your chance to be able to choose a different format. Allows you to see what it looks like with what you've built. On the right side, there's a button to customize it, and that'll give you an option to change up the colors on the left, or if you want to change up the fonts over on the right. If everything looks good, then you can go ahead and publish it. Go ahead and tap the screen, and now you'll be able to see your link there. Hit done. That'll take you back to the home page. At any point, you can click on the three dots on the right and then share this card, copy that link. You can save this to your boards app or anywhere accessible to you to share with any new customers that you bring on board. I hope this was helpful.